happy blood full moon with the lunar eclipse. Very special today. Saw the lunar eclipse this morning, September 7th, here in New Zealand, Aotearoa. And just taught a class here and enjoyed the lunar flow, lunar salutations, Chandra Namaskar. 14 postures saluting the moon. The lunar phase also linked with connecting to our feminine energy, the Ida channel, the Ida Nadi, the feminine aspect of everybody, whether you're male or female or gender diverse. So welcome. I'm going to take you through the Lunar Namaskar, Chandra Namaskar, Lunar Salutations. Blessings to you all. It's a wonderful practice, particularly if you just have a little bit lower energy and you want to move a bit slower. Also a very good practice for opening into the hips. And don't be fooled, it's challenging. You're moving slower, you can go deeper, you can feel the sensations of your body, and really take time to really feel these poses, asana. So beginning at the end of your mat and side bending down to alternate sides. And we're visualizing the moon here as we now move into our standing goddess squat. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Sinking low into the legs. And the breath is slow and deep. Turning over to your side to move into Trikonasana, triangle pose. You could use a block to support the hand and then swivel round, both feet pointing in the same direction, both legs extended to Parsvottanasana. Moving into crescent moon lunge, Anjaneyasana. And swiveling now into Skandasana, side lunge. And easing into your level, always. Moving through Malasana, yogic squat. To take that side lunge to the other side. Now find your level here. I'm still recovering from a knee injury, so I'll take mine a bit higher at first and slowly ease in. Let's find the level that's right for you. This is a very more intuitive flow, being a lunar practice, so slow it down and find what's right for you. Swiveling round, Anjaneyasana, crescent moon. Hands planting down, pyramid pose. Breathing deeply and transitioning to Trikonasana, triangle pose again. Looking up to the top thumb and then rising back up to our goddess squat. Kali squat with the tongue out. If you wish, inhale up, exhale out of the mouth. Sinking deeply into that divine feminine energy. And standing at the other end of your mat for some side bends again. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. And we repeat the sequence to the other side. So again, visualize the moon and find your side bends again. Standing half moon pose. stepping sideways to our goddess squat again. Open the fingers, challenge yourself, ground into your feet, inhale up, exhale down. Feel that strength through the legs, widening through the hips. Swiveling again, Trikonasana, triangle pose. Long, slow, deep breaths always sustain us through our asana practice. Swiveling round, pyramid pose. Let the back of the neck lengthen. Using blocks here on either side can be nice. Back down again into our low lunge, Anjaneyasana. Looking up. Hands planting down to swivel again into that side lunge. See what's right for you. Easing in Skandasana. It's a lovely sequence because we move side to side on the mat. Come into Malasana, yogic squat. Changing sides. And it really is nice to mix up your practice to these lunar flow styles, as sometimes we, in our fast-paced society, it's about quick and fast and very solar. So it's nice to still feel you can move the body deeply and very strongly, but in a slower way, and feeling the depth of lunar Chandra Namaskar. So back again after that low lunge to pyramid pose. Trikonasana. Back up to our goddess squat. Sink a little bit deeper if you can. Feel the strength through the legs. And standing at the top of your mat again for your standing side bends. And it's a lovely sequence that once you get to know it, to just repeat and move into the flow. Close our practice by taking the tips of the fingers together. This is a wonderful mudra called Hakini Mudra. And the tips of the fingers represent the brain. So these mudras are very powerful. So pause for a moment in this Hakini Mudra. Place it over your pelvis region and visualize the moon. Connect to your creativity. Blessings, lunar eclipse to you all. Very potent time in the lunar calendar from now until the 9th of September. So seeding your intentions, rising up, uplifting to the highest version of yourself, supported by the wonders of the planets. Thank you all. Namaste.